Have you ever wondered why two people with the same opportunities end up with completely different lives? Why one person grows, improves, and succeeds, while the other feels stuck, frustrated, and defeated? The answer is not intelligence, luck, or talent. The answer is mindset. More specifically, the difference between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. This one concept quietly shapes how you handle failure, effort, learning, and success. And once you understand it, you can never unsee it. A fixed mindset is the belief that your abilities, intelligence, and talents are permanent. People with a fixed mindset believe they are either good at something or they are not. Because of this belief, they fear failure. Failure feels like proof that they are not good enough. As a result, they avoid challenges, give up easily, and stay within their comfort zone. When they fail, they take it personally. When they receive criticism, they feel attacked. And when they see others succeed, they feel threatened. A fixed mindset quietly limits potential, not because the person lacks ability, but because they stop trying. In contrast, a growth mindset is the belief that abilities can be developed through effort, learning, and persistence. People with a growth mindset don't see failure as a verdict. They see it as feedback. They understand that mistakes are part of the learning process. Instead of avoiding challenges, they embrace them. Instead of fearing effort, they respect it. They don't compare themselves to others. They focus on improving themselves. This mindset creates resilience, confidence, and long-term success. The difference between these two mindsets can be seen everywhere in school, careers, business, and personal growth. A student with a fixed mindset says, "I'm bad at math," and gives up. A student with a growth mindset says, "I don't understand this yet," and keeps learning. One mindset shuts doors, the other opens them. One creates limits, the other creates possibilities. A fixed mindset often comes from early experiences, criticism, or labels. When people are told they are smart or not smart, they internalize those labels. Over time, these labels become identity. But the truth is, identity is not fixed. The brain is adaptable. Skills are learnable. Intelligence is expandable. Science has proven that the brain grows through effort and repetition. The growth mindset aligns with how the brain actually works. One of the most powerful shifts you can make is changing your self-talk. Fixed mindset language sounds like "I can't," "I'm not good at this," or "I failed." Growth mindset language sounds like "I'm learning," "I'll improve with practice," and "what can this teach me?" These small changes in language rewire how your brain responds to challenges. Another key difference is how both mindsets handle effort. A fixed mindset sees effort as a sign of weakness. A growth mindset sees effort as the path to mastery. This is why people with a growth mindset don't quit when things get hard. They expect difficulty. They understand that struggle is part of progress. The most important thing to remember is this: mindset is not something you are born with. It is something you practice. You can shift from fixed to growth at any point in life. Every time you choose learning over ego, effort over excuses, and progress over perfection, you strengthen your growth mindset. Your future is not defined by where you start, but by how you think. And the moment you choose a growth mindset, you choose expansion, resilience, and long-term success.